Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change a lawnmower spark plug. In this simple tutorial, I will be going over the basic steps for replacing a lawnmower spark plug. Let's get right into the video. When you want to change a lawnmower spark plug, you have to first start off by finding where it is. So you want to look for somewhere where you see this. This is the spark plug wire that connects to the actual spark plug on the lawnmower. So when you find the spark plug wire, what you're going to want to do is pull it off, place it to the side. You want to place it like far off to the side because you don't want to, if it's close, you run the risk of it it can still trip each other, okay? So you don't want to run the risk of any sparks happening or anything like that, or the lawnmower starting up. So place the spark plug wire far away. You should just be able to pull it off. Now you have the actual spark plug. Now you can use a special tool for this, or you can use a socket wrench depending on if you have the right kind. But I do this once every while. I change the spark plug. So I just use some needle nose pliers. Because all that you really have to do, it shouldn't be in there too tightly, but all that you really have to do is just twist it a little bit, and then you can unscrew it by hand. So as you can see, I just get my needle nose pliers right here, and I just get them all the way to the back there, and you just want to twist it counterclockwise. I just twisted it a little bit, and then you can actually just remove it by hand, okay? So as you can see right here, very simple. You just want to unscrew it, okay? And you can pull it out really easily. So you can pull it out, and what you want to do is you want to take your new spark plug and you're just going to reverse the process. Now I should be replacing this, and I will, but I don't have a new spark plug on hand. I just wanted to make this video to show you the process. So I'm going to be reinstalling this one, but you're going to imagine that you have your new spark plug on hand. So take your new spark plug, put it in place like that, and you're going to want to twist it. Now make sure you get it nice and straight in place so you don't ruin it. So I'm twisting it clockwise. You're going to want to twist it until you've finger tightened it. And then you want to use your ratchet, your socket, your ratchet, your wrench, your pliers, whatever you're using, just to tighten it just a touch more. You don't want it to be too tight, okay? You don't want it to be too tight. So just when you've finger tightened it, what you want to do is take whatever tool you're using and just twist it just a little bit. That's it, just a little bit. And then you're good to go. Once you've replaced the spark plug, you can take your spark plug wire. If you're done with all your maintenance at this point, you could plug it back in and you should be good to go. And that's basically it. That is essentially how to replace a spark plug on a lawnmower. This has been a simple tutorial. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.